Essential kitchen tool. 3-piece set includes 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4 cup measuring cups that are perfect for baking, cooking, mixing and more. Easy to read. Featuring bold and large measurements in both ounces and milliliters, making this effortless to read. Precise pouring. Adding milk to your cake batter? We got you covered. All Pyrex measuring cups feature a curved spout for non-mess pouring and easy grip handles for comfort. High-quality glass. Nonporous glass is BPA-free, non-toxic and won't absorb food odors, flavors, or stains. Durable measuring cups. Need to melt a cup of butter for chocolate chip cookies? Just throw our Pyrex measuring cup in the microwave. High-quality tempered glass is dishwasher, freezer, microwave and preheated oven safe. A trusted brand. Loved for generations, experienced cooks and beginners alike have reached for Pyrex brand glassware products, because they're affordable, durable, and great for all their cooking, serving and storing needs. Top reviews from the United States. I use this every day when I cook. The pour spout is so useful and it's dishwasher safe. Used it for months without scratches or cracks.